We're working on a 2000 GMC 4.3 V6. Has a bad distributor. Sometimes it starts, it gets a hard start, jumps around on the timing, so it's bouncing around. So it should be pretty straightforward. We'll pull this bolt here, disconnect everything, mark it, and we wanted to replace it with a brass cap, but they don't make that. They make this one, which is just standard, so we'll be taking these parts back. And then this is all from O'Reilly's. They have it in stock, so you know that's a good where's the part number? There you go. So you know that's a good indication. Anyway, we'll pull these wires after we mark them, disconnect here, pull that, and go from there. Should be straightforward. In there like swimwear.